All right, welcome to Business Math, Chapter 1, Gross Income. So we are on Lesson 1.6 called Commission. So this whole chapter has been about different types of payments. We went from, just straight time hourly pay, and then we started calculating overtime, and then we went to peacetime work, which, just you get paid for the number of pieces that you can, deliver or create. The last one that we just went over, 1.5, was about salary. Now we're going to talk about commission. So a lot of the time when you work in sales, you might earn a certain commission based on the number of sales that you meet, things like that. So again, I say this in every video, make sure you're reading the sections, you're looking through the examples, and you're paying attention to the formulas they give you. It's very important that you pay attention to that book. Don't just go straight to the worksheets. All right. So they always start off with our little summary here. So we have a commission is an amount of money that you're paid for selling a product or service. Your commission rate may be a specified amount of money for each sale, or it may be a percentage of the total value of your sales. So it kind of depends on the company you work for there. So commission equals commission rate times total sales. So pretty darn easy formula to give here. Remember, they don't always give you every formula that you need here. So most of the time, but sometimes we need that book to reference back to. All right, so Robert Russell earns 3% commission on the sale of a $512,800 home. What is his commission? So we know how much his sale was. We know his commission rate is. So we just rate times total sale. So we have 512,800 times 3%. So we just simply multiply these together. So he gets $15,384 on this sale. So not too crazy there. Pretty simple calculation on that one. Really, the next ones are pretty much the same. Number 3 gives you two different things that this person is selling. So you actually are selling, you're selling windows and storm doors. So 8% on storm windows and 12% on doors. And then they tell you how many you sell, windows, storm windows, and how many you sell in doors. So you have to calculate it twice. You're going to do this twice and add them together. How much did you get on commission for the storm windows and how much did you get on the commission for the doors? And then combine them. Let's see. So the next one, if we look at, I don't think, let's see. Number 4 is very similar to number 3, so no big deal there. Number 5 is a little different. So it says Mike Lauz, I don't know how to say that last name, is a salesperson in the appliance department at Willock Appliance Inc. He is guaranteed a minimum salary of $220 per week or 5.5% of his total sales, whichever is greater. So it's or, it's not both. What is his gross pay for the week in which his total sales were $840,000? So we need to know he's guaranteed the 220 or 5.5%, whichever one is greater. That's kind of nice. So he gets the bigger amount. So if we know he made total sales of 8,400, we need to know what is 5.5% of that. So we need to multiply and we'll get, an answer here. If 5.5% is greater than 220, that's going to be what he gets paid for the week. If it's less than 220, then he gets the 220. So one or the other, we just need to do that calculation to figure out so we can make that comparison. Let's see, number 6. Number 6 is very similar to number 3 and number 4. So he's going to get a commission of 1.5% of the contracts plus an annual bonus of 2.5%. So it's very similar. It is a little different. So I'm going to kind of walk you through it just a little bit here. So we have $2,550,500 for his total sales. And let's go ahead and read through it. I didn't read through it. Sorry. Wilson Roebucker brokers sales agreements for a major home builders chain. He is paid a straight commission of 1.5% and an annual bonus of 2.5% for contracts over $1,500,000 per year. And his total contracts this year are $2,555,500. Lots of fives there. So he gets the straight commission of the 1.5%, right? So he already gets this. And plus a bonus means that he's going to get the bonus that's over the 1,500,000. So we need to know of this amount that he did, how much is over the 1,500,000. Sorry, I'm trying to line this up a little better. Not doing the best job there. So we need to know what's over that amount. Right, so we would just subtract and we get 501. So this is his amount over the 1,500,000. So he's going to get a bonus on this amount. So we add, and I'm going to write it down here. Sorry, normally I'd write it over here, but it's taking a little. So we're going to add the 1,055,000 times his bonus. So he gets a bonus, an extra amount on this. And we're going to add these two together. So this is his regular commission on all of it. This is his bonus on everything that's above this threshold here. And that'll give us our total. So make sure you're paying attention on that one. All right, algebra. So I tend to take a little closer look at some of the algebra ones. They're not necessarily hard. I hope that you don't automatically see algebra and go, oh, not touching that. It's just a little bit more application. We've learned how to do this. Now, can we apply it? Can we take it a little bit farther? So Tobias Gold sells computers at the office center. He is guaranteed a minimum salary of $1,959 per month plus 6.3 commission on his total sales. So we know he gets this plus he gets this 6.3 commission on all of his total sales. How much in total sales does he need? They're not telling us what it is in order to have a gross pay for the month of $2,784.84. Blah, 84. That's kind of funky to say that. So we want to know how much total sales. They're not telling us his total sales. They're telling us what his paycheck's going to be, and we need to figure out the total sales there. So we already know he's guaranteed this $1,959. No matter what, he's going to get that. Plus, he's going to get this commission on whatever his sales are. So we need to decide on a variable for sales. And I just went with X for whatever reason. You can go with any variable you want, S or anything like that. So X is total sales. I just decided on X for whatever reason. So it's 6.3% times X, whatever X is. So if I add these two together, that's going to give me his gross pay for the month, which is $2,784.84. So this one really wasn't too crazy to set up. We just had to do the two pieces, just like we've done on some of these other ones. You know, this is his flat rate no matter what. And then he gets another kind of somewhat of a bonus if he makes commission sales. So no matter what, he's going to make money, but he's going to get more if he sells more, right? So we just go through and we start solving this. So we subtract our 1,959 from both sides. And we get 6.3% equals, these two canceled, right? Sorry, didn't go back over there. And we get 820. I'm looking at the wrong darn numbers here. Sorry, I have them written down right in front of me. And so I don't have to do the calculator each time. And I was looking at the wrong darn number. 825.84 when we subtract here. So this starts to look a little bit more simple, I hope. I'm going to let you finish it because you only really have one step left to finish this off to get that X by itself. So I hope that helped, and I will see you next week or on the next lesson, not necessarily next week.